Today we try to go from something like this to more something like that. RUNCAM comes in this really bright orange, and we want to go for a stealthier look with the Mavic 2. So we play around with a little bit spray paint and self-made masking camo, giving it an overall stealthier look. We are starting here with some darker layers to avoid the orange from bleeding through, since we are going for a little bit lighter camo and lighter grays. After a few layers of gray, now we have our base coat. The buttons are masked off so that we can later give them just a little bit dust, that the orange is gone but still the LED lights can bleed through. The camo pattern I'm using is something I made myself. If someone wants to see how I did that, please let me know in the comments below. So we are working now with this camo masking, which can be any kind of shape you're going for, and we are laying it over the RUNCAM casing, giving it some dust with one shade of gray, and then we are letting it dry. Then we are moving it, and then we are giving it another layer of dust in a different gray, and that way we can work our way through the final product how we want to have it. The nice thing when you're doing the camo masking yourself, you can go to any kind of shape, you can be really creative, and you can do that for like little devices like cameras or bigger wings. I will come up with a build of a flying wing, and I will do the same process there, just on a bit bigger kind of area. And you can do it on your car or on your sniper rifle or whatever you want to camouflage, and that is kind of a really interesting way how you can do it, and being a little bit creative in the process and having some fun. And this is the dust over the buttons I was talking about, and we are done. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone.